The hair extension industry is worth $10 billion and is expected to grow 9% in the next 4 years. Currently, Tape Scrape is a patent-pending design that's ready to hit the market as soon as funding goals are met. I hope to bring this tool to every licensed professional who specializes in tape and extensions because they need some tool that will help with the removal and retaping of tape and extensions. Extension clients love tape-ins because they're quick to install and you can reuse the hair up to a year before it needs to be replaced. On average, a full head of extensions consists of between 30 and 50 wefts. Upon reinstallation, 4 weeks later, the extensions must be cleansed of oil and residue before retaping and reinstalling into the client's head. At the moment, there are no well-known tools that support this part of the service, and it is a lot of work. For now, we try various DIY methods to help with this part. Step 1. Load the tape scrape with scrape paper. Step 2. Place pressure with your non-dominant hand, securing the paper. Step 3. Place your dirty weft onto the workspace. Step 4. Drag the dirty weft across the workspace until the tape has transferred onto the paper. Once your weft is clean, pull the scrape paper until you have a clean workspace. Repeat until all your wefts are cleansed. Sometimes there's a stubborn piece of tape. Use the dirty paper to pick it off and move on. When all your wefts are clean, tear off the dirty paper and throw it away. I've designed this myself and I use it regularly. It's salon tested and stylist approved. I can't wait to share it with the rest of the industry. And this is where you come in. So far, I've brought Tape Scrape to life on my own. And now it's time to manufacture and market so that we can get it into salons by January 2020. Scroll down to browse rewards, and thank you so much for your time.